Very good morning, dear students. Arjinder Kaur welcome you in this class. In previous class, we have understood the main arguments or key ideas of the lesson number first, The Happy Prince, with the help of mind map. In today's class, students, we will write and learn the question answers of this lesson. The question number first is, where did the swallow of Happy Prince stand? The statue of Happy Prince stood on a tall, high column of the city. As you can see in this mind map, the first point is the statue stood on a tall or high column above the city. The answer of this question is on page number first of your textbook, as you can see here. The question number second is, how was the statue decorated? The statue was decorated, covered, gilded with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes, he had two rare bright fairies, and there was a large red ruby on his sword hilt. See students, I have written 3 points in this mind map, and you have to write all the 3 points in the answer number 2. The statue was decorated, covered or gilded with the thin leaves of fine gold. Same I have written in the answer of this question. And you can see the answer of this question is on para number first, second line of your textbook. Now the question number 3, this is very easy and very important question, usually asked in the examination. Where was the swallow going? The swallow, we can start from the question, the swallow was going to Egypt. As you can see in the mind map, a little swallow was going to Egypt. And the same answer you can see on the page number first, Egypt, in the para number 2. The question number 4 is, why did the swallow put up between the feet of the Happy Prince? जदों swallow जिहड़ा हैगा सी वो उड़ के आया तो उसने अपने आप को Happy Prince दे पैरां विच क्यों रख लिया जां उत्थे क्यों बैठ गया? Same here, you can start from the question. You have to leave the first two words. Why and did the swallow put up between the feet of the Happy Prince? Because it was a fine position or place with plenty of fresh air. And you can see in the answer of this question. It was a page number first. It was a fine position with plenty of fresh air. Question number 5. Where were the drops coming from? ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੀਨਸ ਉੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਬੈਠ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਬੂੰਦਾਂ ਡਿੱਗ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਸਨ, ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਸਨ? Same here, you can start from the question. The drops were coming from the eyes of the Happy Prince. You must understand कि ਉਹਦੀਆਂ eyes ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, and you have to learn or remember eyes of the Happy Prince, and rest of the answer you can start from the question. Question number 6. Why was the Happy Prince crying? भी Happy Prince ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ cry क्यों कर रहा सी? The statue of the Happy Prince was crying because it could see the ugliness and miseries of the city's poor people. As you can see in the mind map, I have written in the point number 4, the Happy Prince was crying because it could see the ugliness and miseries of the city's poor people. And you can see the answer of this question is on page number 2 of your textbook. Can see the ugliness and miseries of the cities, and मतलब इत्थों तक तुसी जिहड़ा हैगा आंसर लिखना है. Question number 7. Describe the seamstress in the words of Prince. भी प्रिंस के शब्दों के विच जो seamstress सी, जो दर्जन सी, उसका वर्णन करो. You can write in the words of Happy Prince, or according to the Happy Prince, seamstress was a poor woman. Her face was thin and worn. Her hands were coarse and red and all pricked by the needles. कि उस जिहड़ी औरत सी बड़ी गरीब सी, उसका फेस पतला ते बहुत ही मतलब रुखा सी, फटिया होया सी, उसके हत्थ जिहड़े सी बहुत ही रुखे हो चुके सन, सख्त हो चुके सन, लाल हो चुके सन, क्योंकि उन्हां दे विच ओह कपड़े सीन करके सूइयां जिहड़ियां उन्हां दी चुभियां होईयां सन। एंड यू कैन सी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑन पेज नंबर 2, पैरा नंबर 3. You can easily find on your notebook. Question number 8. Boy was seamstress, little boy was crying. You can start from the question. Seamstress, little boy was crying because he was ill and he had fever. You can see the answer of this question on page number 2. As I marked on this notebook, and you can also find on your notebooks. Question number 9. How did both the happy prince and the swallow help the seamstress? Seamstress poor सी ते दोवां ने उसकी किस तरह मदद की? Happy prince asked the swallow to pluck out or take out the ruby from the sword hilt and give it to the seamstress. The swallow did the same and thus both helped the seamstress. कि उन्होंने किस तरह मदद की थी कि जिहड़ा हैप्पी प्रिंस से उसने कहा कि तू मेरी स्वॉर्ड हिल्ट है जिहड़ी तलवार दे हथ मतलब तलवार दी हत्थी है जां ओहदी मुठ है पकड़न वाली, उस दे विचों जिहड़ा है रैड रूबी उसनूं निकाल के सीमस्ट्रेस नूं दिया। इस तरह उन्हां दोनों ने जिहड़ी हैगी आ उसकी मदद की। क्वेश्चन नंबर इहदा आंसर भी तुसीं बेटा पेज नंबर 3 ते फाइंड कर सकते हैं एज आई मार्क्ड in this notebook. Question number 10. Why did the swallow feel warm? भी swallow जिहड़ा सी अपने आप नूं गर्म क्यों महसूस कर रहा सी? We can start from the question. The swallow felt warm because he had done a good deed or action. You can see the answer of this question on page number 4 and 5. 3 or 4. But I feel quite warm now, although it is too cold. This is because you have done a good action. You can see on the page number 4. Students, with the help of this mind map, you can remember and learn many things. We have to got the main arguments. Okay, in this lesson 3 persons were crying. The first was happy prince, cry कर रहा सी क्योंकि उस शहर की अगलीनेस एंड गरीब लोगों दियां जिहड़ियां दे दुख सी उन्हां नूं देख के क्राई कर रहा सी। सेकंड है जो सीमस्ट्रेस द लिटिल बॉय क्राई कर रहा है क्योंकि ही वॉज क्राइंग फॉर ऑरेंजेस। थर्ड जो गर्ल क्राई कर रही है, क्राइंग मैच गर्ल, क्राइंग बिकॉज हर मैचेस वर फैल इनटू गटर। तो वह घर जाएगी, उसका फादर उन्होंने मारेगा, वो सारिया नष्ट हो गई ने गटर च देख के। थ्री परसनस क्राई कर रहे हैं बेटा इस लैसन दे विच। फर्स्ट इज हैप्पी प्रिंस, सैकेंड इज सीमस्ट्रेस लिटिल बॉय एंड थर्ड वन इज मैच गर्ल। So students, in today's class we have done 10 questions of this lesson. In the next class we will do the remaining questions of this lesson. Thank you beta, thank you once again.